In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a password to Microsoft Edge. First, let's get started by opening Microsoft Edge. You can find the Edge icon on your desktop or in your taskbar. Once you click on it, the browser will launch and you'll see your home page or the last page you visited. This is the foundation for what we're going to do next. Opening the browser is essential because it allows us to access all the features, including the settings where we can manage our passwords. Taking this first step ensures that you are ready to proceed with adding your passwords securely. Next, look for the three dots menu icon. This icon is located in the top right corner of your screen. It resembles three horizontal dots stacked vertically. When you click on this icon, a drop-down menu will appear. This menu contains various options that let you customize and manage your browsing experience. Selecting the right option here is crucial because it leads you to the settings where you can manage your saved information, including passwords. Once you click the icon, you will see a clear list of options to choose from. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. This option is typically near the bottom of the menu. After clicking on it, you will be directed to the Settings page. Here, you can adjust various features of Microsoft Edge to better suit your needs. Accessing the settings is important because it gives you control over your browsing experience and privacy. You'll see several tabs on the left side of your screen which will guide us to the next step in adding your password. Now go to the Profiles tab on the left and select Passwords. This section is specifically designed for managing your passwords and other personal information. Clicking on this tab will take you to the area where you can add, edit, or delete passwords. It's essential to navigate to this section because it organizes all your saved passwords in one place. You will notice a list of any saved passwords you already have, along with the option to add new ones. This organization helps keep your accounts secure and easily accessible. Next, click the Add Password button located in the upper right corner of the Saved Passwords list. This button is your gateway to entering new credentials. Once you click it, a form will appear for you to fill in your details. This step is vital because it allows you to securely store your login information for easy access later. You will see a clear prompt on the screen guiding you through the process of entering the information needed. Now enter the website URL, your username, and your password. Make sure to fill in each field correctly. The URL is important because it ensures that your password is associated with the correct site. The username and password are critical for logging in securely. After entering this information, double-check to make sure everything is accurate. This step is essential because it prevents any login issues in the future. Once you are confident that all details are correct, you are ready to save your information. Finally, click Save. This action confirms that you want to store the password securely in Microsoft Edge. After clicking Save, you will see a confirmation appear, indicating that your password has been successfully added. This small step is significant as it keeps your changes secure and ensures you can access your account easily in the future. With your password saved, you can browse with peace of mind, knowing that your login information is securely stored. Thank you for following along. Now you know how to add a password to Microsoft Edge. Enjoy your secure browsing.